Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to teach you another way to make money online. We may make much money by simply pressing buttons on our phones or laptops. You don't have to worry about payout methods with this strategy because it includes many options. This is also completely free, so you will not spend any money on it. This approach is available all across the world, so you can access it wherever you are. And if you've been watching my videos for the past few weeks, you already know I'll lead you through every step right here. So please, stick with me to the finish so you don't miss out on any essential information, and I'll be providing another trick right here in this video where you can earn double or even triple. You already know that I don't want you to miss out on any of the information in this video, so please don't skip any of it. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The website that will help us in making money online is hatchful.shopify.com. As you can see right here, free logo maker, and below on that, create stunning logos in seconds. And if you scroll down here below, you'll find all these lovely and colorful logos that have all been professionally created and look fantastic for businesses and organizations. They only use this platform to design all of these amazing logos. Did you know that using today's strategy, you can get $20 to $25 for every logo? And if you do 10 logos, you'll earn $250. And if you do 30 logos, you'll earn $750. So this is actually a really good deal. You can make money just by making logos. And if you have much time on your hands, you can make more than 3 or 5 logos in a day. You can even make up to 10 or more if you want to. I especially like this website because it offers a variety of payment options, so you don't have to be concerned. You don't have to be concerned about creating logos because you don't need any prior experience, and you don't even require design abilities. All you need is a mobile phone or a laptop to do so, as well as an internet connection. Now, if you look at here below, create professional and high-resolution logos in just a few clicks. This is a logo maker designed for entrepreneurs on the go. No design knowledge is required, so you don't have to be concerned even if you're a newbie. And here, you can see build a unique brand. You can customize your logo from hundreds of templates, icons, and color combinations in their design studio. So what I really like about this website is that they have hundreds of various designs built specifically for you. So all you have to do is make a few clicks and you're ready to go. You will save a great deal of time and money in this way. As you can see right here, customized for your industry, modify logos created precisely to your niche. This means that if you create different logos for different sectors or niches, you will be able to earn a lot more money. If we scroll down below, we can notice that over 140,000 business owners have trusted this website. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, for us to start right here, just scroll it up and click on Get Started. When you click on this, you'll be taken to a page where you may select your business space. This will assist the website in developing better designs just for us. On this page, you will be going to choose your niche. As you can see, there are many choices. You can go with fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, food and drink, and many more. In this video, I will make a logo for health and beauty. All I need to do is click on it and click Next. After choosing our business space, we will now choose our visual styles. There are many visual styles here. We have bold, calm, reliable, classic, conservative, creative, elegant, energetic, and so on. You have complete freedom in terms of what you want your logo to look like. You have the option of selecting up to 3 different graphic styles. Let me just click on Classic and Creative and then click on Next. Right here, you will enter your business name and slogan. The business name that you will enter will vary on your client as well as the slogan. Actually, the slogan right here is optional. You can proceed to the next page without filling this one. And in my case, I will put Online Money Mastery here as a business name and click Next. On the next page, you will tell where the logo will be used if you're going to use it online, for a website, for a social media, print and swag, business cards, large surfaces, physical stores, or none of the above. Now I'm just going to click on the online store, website, social media, and business cards, and then click on Next. Again, this is the only example for the sake of this tutorial, but you should double check everything because everything will vary from client to client. Now that we've landed on this page, you can see that they've created several logos specifically for us. You can see that these are all professional looking logos, and you may choose whatever you want or think is appropriate for your client's business. So, for example, I will click this one right here because I really like it, and then I'll be brought to this page where we can alter the logo. As you can see, I can still modify the business name right here, and you can add the slogan right here below. And if you want to change the font, you can change it here. And for the color, just click on this and browse the best logo for you. You can change the icons too by simply clicking on this one. Lastly, there is a layout option right here. You can change the layout if you want and click on Next. When you're being satisfied with your logo, all you have to do is download it. You can do that by maneuvering your mouse to the lower portion of the site and click on Download. By doing that, you'll be taken to this pop-up screen where you'll need to create an account in order to download the logo successfully. Please enter your email address here and set up a password. If you already have an account, you can log in here. The question is, where can we find clients or people that are willing to pay us to design logos for them? The answer is Twitter. Yes, you're right. We're going to twitter.com. It's fine if you're using your own account, but if you want to make a new one, go ahead and do so. After logging into your account, I'd like you to go to the search bar and type in "I need a logo." You'll see that there are a lot of results when you click on search or enter. Many people are seeking designers to create logos for them. Reply to these folks or send them a direct message saying, "Hey, I make logos for only $20." And then you can have a conversation with them. It would be best if you talked about what they like. If you can close the deal, you can now create logos for people right here. There are a lot of people looking for logos online, so you will never run out of that. Now that you've made it this far in my video, I'm going to reveal with you the additional tip that will help you earn more money using this strategy. All you need to do is go over to peopleperhour.com. This is a freelancing website where you may register as a freelancer, and then people will come to look for various services. So, what you're going to do is offer a logo design service. You will first create an account. After that, you will enter your rate. Let's imagine you want to start with low rates. You can start with $5 if you like, but I recommend you will start with $15. People who visit peopleperhour.com will be able to see your profile. They'll contact you and ask you to design a logo for them. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.